Unveiling the mystery of kiss shot. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, kiss shot. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means and when to use it. Let's get started. Kiss shot is a term commonly used in billiards or pool games. It refers to a shot where the cue ball lightly touches or kisses another ball before continuing on its path or pocketing another ball. Imagine two people giving a quick peck or kiss on the lips. In the game, it's like the balls quickly touching each other. While the exact origin of the term, kiss shot, is not clear, its name vividly captures the essence of the move. In English, the word kiss often signifies a light touch or graze. So, when two balls in a billiards game lightly touch, it's reminiscent of a gentle kiss. It's important to note that this term is mostly used in the context of games and isn't really applicable in daily conversation, unless you're talking about pool or billiards. To give you a clearer idea, let's see how kiss shot can be used in sentences. 1. He played a perfect kiss shot, allowing the cue ball to graze the 8 ball and then pocket the 9 ball. 2. If you want to win this game, you'll need to master the art of the kiss shot. 3. She missed the kiss shot, causing the cue ball to hit the wrong target. And there you have it, the intriguing phrase, kiss shot, decoded. Whether you're a billiards enthusiast or just love learning quirky English terms, we hope this video shed light on the meaning and usage of kiss shot. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.